This is the Eiger 200 watt solar blanket. It comes with a 5-meter extension cable, crocodile clips for the battery, and a 20 amp PWM charge controller. It weighs just over 6 kilograms. It's packaged in a waterproof cloth bag with accessory pouch on the end and comes equipped with Anderson plugs, making it plug and play. It unfolds to 6 smaller monocrystalline panels with 6 little loops for tying down or hanging on both sides. The stitching seems to be quite well done and the panels themselves are quite sturdy. I've been using a 150 watts glass panel up until now, which weighs about 15 kilograms. So the weight and size difference really has helped my situation for packing. I had no interest in mounting my panels on my roof or on top of the trailer, so getting the solar panel to fit was always a problem, and it being glass made it a bit fragile for me. But this little panel solved that problem. It does fit nicely on top of the trailer top tent, if I had the foresight not to set up in the shade though. Otherwise it works well as a windscreen shield. I am doing this video in the winter, about 2 weeks away from the winter solstice, so the best angle for the panels right now is about 50 degrees. While in the summer the best angle would be about 10 degrees, so that would be lying flat on the ground. To connect up, first, like any charge controller, we connect the battery to the controller which powers the device, the middle Anderson plug. And then the plugs to the battery, no specific order. Then connect the panel extension cord onto the left Anderson plug. And then connect the extension into the panel itself. Here you can see the PWM is just showing the battery level currently. And then when I plug in the panel, it shows it is receiving power via the flashing panels on the screen. And just another angle of what it looks like to connect everything all up. The blanket is definitely smaller, lightweight and portable, but harder to get into a good sun angle, and of course there is the higher price. I had to take footage over a few days because of course when you want to test a solar panel, clouds come out of nowhere. I was getting just under 23 volts and 8.95 amps, making the output power reach its claimed 200 watts under less than ideal conditions. Another nice thing I noticed was the shading. It doesn't cause such an issue because these are 6 different panels. Usually on a single panel, a corner of shading can cause a huge drop in power. The included charge controller is simple, but it has some settings which can be set. Float voltage, low voltage disconnect, reconnect voltage, operation mode and battery type. These can be changed by holding down the leftmost button for 5 seconds. So in conclusion of pros and cons shown, the Camco 200 watt solar panel blanket may not be for everyone, but has definitely found a place with my camping setup, as packing space is an issue and we tend not to stay long periods in the same place.